Do you know that there are countless people in the world who genuinely plan to make better financial decisions? They tell themselves they'll start saving soon, start investing, start planning for their future. The intention is strong, the plan feels clear, but somehow it never actually happens. That simple decision, one that feels so easy, never turns into action. And behind this delay, there's a deeper pattern, a pattern that most people follow without even realizing it. In today's video, we're going to break down exactly why this happens. Studies in behavioral finance have consistently shown that people delay important financial decisions not because they lack information, but because of how they respond to uncertainty, pressure, and time. So the real question is not what people should do, it's why do they keep delaying it? One of the biggest reasons is overwhelm. Financial decisions often feel complex. Terms like investing, interest rates, or long-term planning can seem confusing. When something feels complicated, the brain naturally tries to avoid it. Instead of taking small steps, people postpone the decision completely. This creates a dangerous pattern. The longer a decision is delayed, the heavier it starts to feel. Another major factor is fear of making the wrong choice. Money decisions feel permanent. People worry that if they invest in the wrong place, choose the wrong plan, or take the wrong step, they might lose money. This fear creates hesitation. Ironically, in trying to avoid mistakes, people make a bigger one, doing nothing. Then comes the illusion of time. People often believe they have more time than they actually do. They think, I'll start next month, or I'll deal with this later. But later keeps moving. Weeks turn into months, and months turn into years. Because the consequences are not immediate, the delay feels harmless. But financially, time is one of the most powerful factors. Delaying decisions silently reduces opportunities. There is also the role of comfort. Making financial changes often requires giving something up, spending less, saving more, or changing habits. This creates discomfort in the present, and most people naturally choose comfort today over benefit tomorrow. So even when they know what to do, they delay it to avoid short-term discomfort. Another hidden reason is lack of urgency. If a bill is due tomorrow, it gets paid. But long-term financial decisions don't come with deadlines. There's no immediate pressure. Without urgency, action gets pushed aside. All these factors together create a cycle of delay. People know, people plan, but people don't act. But the important part is this pattern can be broken. The first step is to reduce complexity. Instead of trying to understand everything at once, focus on one simple action. It could be saving a small amount, tracking expenses, or learning one concept. Clarity grows from action, not from overthinking. The second step is to accept that perfect decisions don't exist. Every financial choice carries some level of uncertainty. Waiting for the perfect time or the perfect plan usually leads to no action at all. Progress comes from starting, even if the step is not perfect. Another powerful shift is changing how you see time. Instead of thinking, I have time, think time is already moving. This small shift creates awareness. It turns delay into something visible, not invisible. Creating small deadlines also helps. When a decision has a time limit, it becomes real. And finally, focus on momentum. Small actions build confidence. Confidence reduces fear. And once fear reduces, decisions become easier. The goal is not to make one big perfect decision, but to create a pattern of action. Because in finance, delay has a cost. Not always visible, not immediate, but real. Opportunities are missed. Growth is slowed. Progress is delayed. In the end, the difference is simple. Some people wait until they feel ready. Others start even when they are not. And over time, that difference becomes everything.